KB, you ready to go rappel down the side of that cliff?
Oh,
Everything looks like it hardened up nicely. That was awesome. We had a couple successful climbs, a couple successful rappels, and the hill is working just how we had envisioned it. Kyle's here cleaning up the rope, and couldn't have done it without him. I'm kind of the drone guy, Kyle's the climbing guy, and so together we were able to get some real cool drone shots while we were climbing and do it in a real safe manner. So looking forward to more adventures like this, and can't wait to share more of them with you guys.